us! Riding off into the sunset. You know it's like 100 degrees right now? It's hot. When it's hot, what does that mean for you? What does that mean for JJ when it's hot? What do you get to do? What does JJ want to do? Yeah, it's 100 degrees. You can swim. Yep. Just make sure you had a good day. I think you did. Teacher sent us some pictures, and it looks pretty good. Looks like you had a nice time.
Hi, sugar.
You know, we got you some new shorts and some shirts.
shorts.
10 shorts, so.
And 6 shirts.
Mom bought you 10 short shorts.
No more shorts.
No, not short shorts.
No. You can sleep in them, but not going out. Watch out, baby.
He loves balloons. He loves balloons.
Who's here, Zelda?
She sees JJ.
Already?
Oh, we got his yearbook? Oh boy,
This is the
Bubba.
yearbook?
Cool.
Oh, I see. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna have to look through it, Bubba. Try to
Aw.
find you.
I hate to see that.
Yeah.
Well, this is cool. Get to see all the teachers and
Yeah.
stuff. In here.
We'll have to pick JJ out. Look
There's
at all the
Tanner.
JJ
They got him
pictures.
as that's JJ's teacher right now, but
What does he say he is?
he's a
there?
vocational manager.
Vocational manager.
He had to take over when Miss Janet left.
Jenner. So she might come back, right? That's what you
It
mentioned.
would be cool.
about
It
coming
would be
back
cool.
in.
Let me see.
Because they need the main teacher in that classroom. Because I don't think he can do it all the time.
Right.
This time what we got for the chopping block is
Try to see her
Mother
folder
Nature
too, Bubba.
says,
My
I know
mom's
Mother
looking through
Nature
that.
can be a female dog.
Well, look at this.
Classroom 18 memories. Look at all this. There's
JJ.
All the animals are super happy. All the animals in the forest, they're so happy.
Oops, sorry, JJ. This is so great. That's cool. They have memories of each class.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Same cheese, right?
You're so cute.
Okay, let's see what you got here real fast.
I love it.
Oh, take it off.
Yeah,
Right,
I
we
don't
got to take
blame
it
you,
off. We definitely got to take this off my Bubba's. There you go. Go hang it up.
Huh.
No, it doesn't.
What are they saying?
It says JJ has not been using / going to the restroom in class since last week except after pool last Friday. I don't know what that means. He had good everything, participated, used word symbols, AC. He had music today, did dog treats, had a good day today, had gold music rec and made dog treats, did great playing xylophone with Mr. Matt, with Music Matt. That's cool. I hope
But
they have pictures
he
of
just
that.
didn't go potty at school today, which they were
I guess
concerned
so.
with.
I don't even know if he went to this morning.
I
No, you were not. I tried to get him and he came straight down the stairs, so he hasn't went all day.
that would be unusual. I mean, we haven't had a problem with him going to the bathroom. He's been going
JJ, do you
regularly.
need to go pee? Well, you'll have to before you go in the pool.
I mean, when he needs to go, he
He'll tell
definitely lets me know. He
That's
let me know
true.
several
That's
times
true.
yesterday.
All
He
right,
came out of the pool and everything.
The camera literally
All right,
mounted
Bub,
on.
you relax.
You want to cool off a minute?
Relax for a bit, and then you can go in the pool. Oh boy. Gets his pool time. 100 degrees. 100 degrees equals pool. Hey, if you don't put no rocks in the pool, okay? Right here is not too bad, but I'd rather not have any rocks in the pool at all. It's too hard to clean, Bub. What in? Throw him in?
cold water.
It is kind of cold, isn't it? He's getting used to the water. I know it sounds weird that it's 100 degrees and the pool's that cold, but it is. A few more 100-degree days, it won't be so cold. Let me see, honey. Let me see it. What you talking about? Oh. He's funny about things like that. Like he won't even go into his bath if there's like a hair or a speck of dirt or something. Here, is it hot? Let me turn it around. All right, you got it.
Wow.
No wow yet. A little wow. Oh, now you're starting to get some wow. You're starting to get some wow. You're starting to get wow. No, it's not totally wow yet. If I see a big wow wave, I'll say it. Those are little teeny wow. It's okay. He rides it the way he rides it. I'll mention it. Wait, he started. I thought he was going to go all the way around. Nope. You go backwards all the way around.
It's on.
Yes, it's all air conditioners are probably on today. It's a hot day. Get dizzy.
Oh. Press the air conditioner.
Picture the air conditioner. That gate, you can't go in that gate. Let's go ahead and on our ride back home though. Let's go ahead, go back so we can do our walk. Go get a treat. Come on, let's go get a treat, Bubba. JJ has us stop in front of every house. Ugh. You've always loved air conditioners, bud, I know. Do you want to go for a walk? Get a treat, yes?
Yeah.
And then pool. Okay. Oh, JJ, what am I going to do with you, buddy? Okay, do you remember how to order? You want a, what do you want? Do you want a candy bagel, or do they have any chocolate ones? Oh, no, they don't. No, there's no chocolate sprinkle ones anyway. Chocolate. You want one of those? Do you want that, or do you want a sundae? Or not a sundae, but a milkshake. You want a milkshake or this? Okay, I'll get it. Don't touch it with your hands. Is that what you want?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, you know the pool thing? Don't put it up there on the top anymore. Don't put it up there because it could break, okay?
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, it costs a lot of money. We want to try to keep the pool clean, so. I got bugs crawling all over me, all over the place down here. They're probably getting on me and biting me. Ugh. Go away, bugs.
Come on, get it, ants.
You want the bugs to go swimming with you? No bugs swim, no.
How lacking? Ants lacking.
A lot of ants, huh?
Ant.
How do you know if it's not an uncle? Might be an uncle. You're right, it's an ant. He did it again. I was gonna reconnect the hose, but he took it completely apart. Oh, a kid.